When I ride a motorcycle going home, I like the feeling of the wind blowing in the face. Even though the helmet covers it, I can still feel the breeze on my neck. And you can't think of anything else when you're on a motorcycle except for what's in front of you, so your mind is very clear. Coming from the practice, sometimes, leaving the building and you're still thinking about the certain dance steps, but as soon as you get on a motorcycle, the only thing you think about is the road ahead.